Hello everyone, welcome to Canteen Cut. My name is Scott. Just doing a little walk today out in the rain. You know, when you homestead, you know, rain is not always a stopper. So what I'm doing today is I'm just doing a outside look at my property to make sure everything is at least fairly secured. We have some bad weather coming in today. I'll post a map of what's coming towards us. We have winds and heavy rains and maybe some severe thunderstorms and the possibility of a tornado. So I'm just walking my property, making sure everything's okay, looking at my amateur radio antennas, looking at my fence. Yeah, that's part of the homesteading thing is, you know, life doesn't stop when it rains, and you still have to go do things. And so even like today, I'm just really going outside, walking around. It still has to be done. I still have to make sure that things are as they should be. While I'm out today, I'm gonna go over to my propane tank and check the fuel on it. I got a 500-gallon tank, and my company won't refill it until it's 40%. And we are right at about 40%. So maybe we'll get them to come out. But you gotta keep a check on that. Don't let it get too low. Because I know the day I let it get down to 20% is the day something will happen. But yeah, just making sure everything's okay. Of course, putting some things in the back of my mind to do later. See what type of crews have walked across my property. So everything looks good. Like I said, I'll post a map of some of the weather coming this way. All right, everybody. Stay safe. Be careful of the weather. We'll see you.